So we were talking about intelligence. Intelligence in psychology, they refer to it as the ability to solve problems. But what? But this intelligence is not the A, is not the real definition. This definition is not the real definition. The real definition is when you search, you are intelligent. Okay? So your intelligence as a living creature may be emotional and may be logical or both or neither if you have some biological issues like when drinking alcohol. So I mean by that your intelligence as a living creature may be logical, okay? It may be logical. You can prove everything and be rigorous, very rigorous. Everything is concluded from something, and this something is concluded from other thing, okay? Or you have two different premises or two different inputs that you can build upon a conclusion, okay? So that's the logical thinking, okay? So your intelligence could be logical, okay? When you search, you can prove that this is the thing that you want, okay? When you search about your pillow or your pen, okay? You may find it logically, okay? How to find it logically? You can find it and you can conclude that the place of the pen, okay, where did you put the pen last time? Okay, where did I put it? I put it on the table. Why? Because I always write using it on the desk, right? Or on the table. Okay, so when I talk about intelligence, okay, when I talk about intelligence and tell you that you are as a living creature may think logically, I mean that you can conclude the place of the pen. How is that? If I write always on the table, then the pen is on the table. That's a conclusion, a logical conclusion. Or you can think emotionally. You are in a hurry, okay? So you want to find the pen as fast as possible, okay? So you're gonna feel where is the pen, okay? Not logically, you're just naturally gonna go to the table and gonna find it and get it, okay? So that's the definition of intelligence in general. Now we want to talk about artificial intelligence. We said that intelligence is the way of thinking by using search, okay, searching, okay? So when you search, you are intelligent, right? So artificial intelligence is following a search algorithm, okay? So artificial intelligence, once again, is following a search algorithm, okay? So for example, tic-tac-toe game is simply a search tree. Is building a search tree at the beginning and then searching on the easiest or the best choice that gonna make you win, right? So that's the start node, or this is the start or the basic plane that you gonna search how to play on it, or what's the best choice you can make on it. So you can put X here or X here or X here. So you have a lot of different choices, right? This tree could be a binary tree, but it's gonna be a very long tree. And there's a lot of different algorithms that search on trees, like Brett's first search algorithm or heuristic search. There's a lot of huge algorithms, search algorithms. You can search upon him using ChatGPT if you want to know more about them. So we're gonna say a social example. On WhatsApp conversation, your friend was trying to be funny and said that you need a high five, but on your face with a chair. So he was joking, he was laughing. Okay, so you were trying to communicate with your friend, and he told you that you need a high five, but on your face with a chair. So he wants to be funny, right? So what is the most wise reply? See, that's a search strategy. You're now gonna search, considering that this WhatsApp environment tells you that he is just trying to make you laugh. Now, environment, data, you now are collected data, and this data is what? This data is that he's just trying to make you laugh. So your experience gives you these alternatives. Okay, now the alternatives that you're gonna search using it, these are called alternatives. In this tree, these are alternatives. Okay, so your experience gives you these alternatives through when you search or you think. You can say a negative reply like, no, you are the one who needs that. So you can misunderstand your friend and tell him that he's the one that should be getting a high five with a chair on his face. But you can say a positive reply like, ha ha ha, and that's very funny, lol. Okay, lol. So, or no comment, you cannot neglect him. Okay, you cannot neglect him. So the replies or the alternatives in the tree are very simple. Okay, the tree is very simple. Either you say a negative response or a positive response. Okay, or no comment, don't make any comment at all. So we have two options, either negative response or a positive response. Okay, so based on the logical rules you believe in or the policy, you can decide what reply should you choose. Like if he's joking, then send ha ha ha. Alright, so you see, if he's joking, that's a logical rule. If he's joking, then send ha ha ha. So why ha ha? You can send what? You can send a negative reply or a negative response. Like you're the one who needs a high five, right? So this action or this reply or this response are based on the policy or the logical rules. The policy could be different. You could be working on a company, right? So you cannot tell him a negative response, right? So types of problems. What are the types of problems? If we notice that there's two different types of requirements in these examples, either you try to choose the best answer or trying to know the right answer. So we have two different types of problems. That's even in real life. Okay, you're trying to choose the best answer, or you're trying to choose the best choice, or it's not an action that you're making. You just want to know, so you're gonna choose or try to know the right answer or the best or the realist answer. Okay, so that's what we said. Reply no vs ha 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 vs neglect, don't reply at all. So there's a religious or historical a historical example, and that's a very advanced. But after that, there's a video. In the video, we're gonna just try to elaborate on more on machine learning and deep learning, and finally an assessment. Okay, that's in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.